Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're talking about the top 5 tips that you can implement right away to get your home clean and organized for good, or at least get it clean and organized quickly when you're ready. So as a professional organizer, at this point I have helped hundreds of clients organize, tidy their homes, and so I have a whole bunch of tips and tricks and hacks and just useful information that you can implement in your home to keep a tidy, organized, and clean home. So if you are interested in those type of videos from me, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, you hit that bell to notify you every single time I load a new video. So the same tips that I'm going to share with you, I've used in my home, I've used in every single client's home that I've been able to organize and tidy. So I know these tips are solid and I know these tips will be helpful to you. So let's just go ahead and dive in. Okay, so first things first, this is the very first thing that you need to pay attention to, and it is to edit your home. Be ruthless about the things that are in your home. Be mindful that you are the gatekeeper of your home, so you get to determine what gets to come in and what gets to stay. So with all that being said, edit, declutter, purge, whatever word you want to use there, you have to get rid of things and pare things down. So as it pertains to editing, you probably know the term as decluttering or purging. I'm going to use the term editing, same difference. But as it pertains to editing, you want to be mindful that you're not starting in a space that is too big or too daunting, that is going to overwhelm you, right? So spaces like your garage or your primary bedroom closet or your walk-in pantry might be too big of a project for you to start just now, right? But I want you to get really comfortable with the idea of editing the things in your home and be ruthless about it. This is going to be helpful in terms of creating a really organized home and a clean home that allows you to get it back into shape and reset very, very quickly. The second tip is to establish a day-to-day manageable routine for cleaning and just regular upkeep of your home. So things like resetting your kitchen at the night's end every single night, or making your bed every single morning, or even doing a pile of laundry every single day is going to make your life so much easier because you have a day-to-day routine of all of the things that you know you need to do anyways. Overall, the idea is to establish routines that make it easy for you to get the things done that you know you need to get done, and they are going to help you manage your home that feel easier and more comfortable to you. And again, you are establishing a routine, meaning you are establishing new habits that are going to make your life easier. So before we dive into more of the tips of this video, I'm curious to know what daily routines you're going to implement in your own home that is going to make your life a little bit easier. I want you to comment down below, and if you have tips for anyone else watching this video, make sure that you leave those as well. So the third tip here is to finally organize what's left, right? The whole point here is to make home more simple, to function, to be more productive, and just create better systems within your home. So when you fully declutter the space, it's much more manageable to create functional, organized systems, right? It's going to be easier to get the things that you need. It's going to be easier to up your productivity and just be more efficient within your home once you've decluttered and started creating organizational systems within the home. And what's even better is you'll be able to efficiently clean your house. Y'all, when you are trying to clean over clutter and crowded spaces, you're really not doing a great job at cleaning because it's too much stuff in the way. Well, now that you've decluttered and you've created routines to kind of keep up with the day-to-day routines of your home, and you've created organizational systems, it's much more easier to clean your home, which is the whole point of you clicking on this video, right? You're wanting to learn how to keep your home clean and organized at all times, and even if it's not at all times, how you can get your home back into shape very quickly. This is how. Here's the fourth tip. This is going to be the kicker. I know this is probably going to be the most challenging tip that I'm going to share with you guys within this video, but I'm going to share it anyway. You have to stick to the habits and the routines that you have created for yourself to make sure that your home can stay clean and organized. It is literally that simple. I mean, I know it's not really simple, but we got to make it work. I can't drill this in enough for you guys, right? But you have to adjust your habits. The entire point of you clicking on this video was to keep your home for good, right? And when I say for good, I mean long term. You have to adjust your habits. That's going to be the biggest tip that I can give you that is going to be beneficial in your journey to keeping your home clean and organized and keeping it that way more long term than normal. And the last tip that I can offer you guys is not really a tangible tip, more so mindset, but I really want you to focus on honoring your home. Honor the limitations within your home. Honor the fact that your home is a place that provides refuge to you from the outside world. When you're able to do that, you're more inclined to take care of the space in which you live, and that is the last thing that I want you to leave this video with. Honoring your home, it is going to be so much more peaceful and so much more tranquil for you when you can do that. I'm hoping you found this video helpful and that you can take the 5 tips I shared to clean and organize your home for 2022. If you're struggling with decluttering, please feel free to find my Power of 30 guide down below. It is my quick 30-minute guide that's going to truly show you how to declutter your home without the overwhelm, and again, to help you get that clean and organized home that I know you are in dire need of and that I know that you truly want for yourself. Alrighty, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if this is the type of content you're wanting to see from me on YouTube, be sure to come back next week, because next week I'll be sharing with you guys how to properly declutter your home like a true professional organizer. All right, y'all, I will see you next week. Bye.